Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you love woodworking or are just starting out, you're in for a treat today. We're counting down the top 10 new DIY tools that will transform your woodworking game. Whether you're looking for precision, power, or versatility, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Phalanx Rotary Tool is a game changer for woodworking and crafting enthusiasts. With its 380 motor, this cordless tool delivers powerful performance, reaching speeds of up to 28,000 RPM. That means it's perfect for a variety of tasks including cutting, sanding, drilling, and polishing. Being cordless adds convenience, allowing you to work anywhere without the hassle of cords. Plus, with a robust 4,000 mAh lithium battery, you can expect extended usage on a single charge, which only takes 2 to 4 hours with Type-C fast charging. Safety is prioritized through features like the integrated shaft lock and a stop-before lock function, making it easy to operate without accidents. The tool even remembers your last speed setting for quick use. Thanks to its compact design and ergonomic grip, you won't experience fatigue during long projects, ensuring comfort and control. This tool comes with an impressive range of 80 accessories, making it adaptable for everything from pet nail grooming to intricate woodwork. The Phalanx Rotary Tool truly stands out as an essential addition to any DIY toolkit, perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros looking for a reliable and versatile tool.
Number 2. The 47 pieces pocket hole jig adjustable punch locator is an essential tool for any woodworking enthusiast or professional carpenter. Made from high-quality metal, this pocket hole jig is designed for durability and won't rust or break easily. It's perfect for quickly drilling inclined holes, which is a time saver on any project. Using this tool is straightforward. Just clamp it in place, drill your slanted counterbore on one connector, and then screw in the self-tapping screw into the other. The entire process is efficient, allowing you to hide screws seamlessly. This jig features a 15-degree drilling angle that facilitates precise screw joints, which is great for achieving that clean finish in your work. The design minimizes the visibility of screws, giving your projects a polished look without compromising on strength. The kit includes everything you need, like the pocket hole jig, a clamp, a steel stop ring, drill sleeves, a hex wrench, and even screws with caps in 2 colors for easy blending. It's great for both DIY home projects and professional use, making it an invaluable addition to your toolkit. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, you'll find that this tool enhances the quality of your joinery work significantly. Number 3. The 4-inch circular saw trimmer machine is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their cutting precision in woodworking or tiling projects. With bilateral high-precision scales marked down to the millimeter, this tool makes it easy to achieve accurate measurements every time. Its compact size of 29.52 by 14.96 inches ensures that you can maneuver it with ease, making cutting a hassle-free experience. One of the standout features is its flexible adjustment capabilities. You can easily modify the cut width from 7.87 inches to 23.62 inches, and it boasts a maximum cutting depth of 1.18 inches. Plus, the maximum tilt angle of 45 degrees allows you to tackle various cutting tasks with confidence and precision. The upgraded level and sturdy board ensure that your cuts remain horizontal, which is crucial for achieving a neat finish. The strong cutting base adds stability during operation, guaranteeing safety while you work. With clear scales and straightforward adjustments, this circular saw trimmer not only meets your cutting needs, but also boosts your efficiency. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking to elevate their craftsmanship. Number 4. The Precision Flex Angle and Arc Marking Tool is an essential tool for anyone involved in metalworking, engineering, or construction. With its clear arc and angle rulers, you'll find reading the corresponding arc values incredibly intuitive while drawing, which helps you work more efficiently and accurately than ever before. This tool makes it easy to create sharp 90-degree angles and smooth curves on both square and flat steel, elevating your craftsmanship on every project. This tool is especially handy for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, carpenters and decorators as it simplifies marking angles on round materials, 3D workpieces, and square wood. Even beginners can utilize it effectively thanks to a straightforward user guide that breaks down how to achieve precise measurements. If you're searching for a great gift for a DIY lover, this multi-angle ruler is a real gem. Made from durable metal, it promises long-lasting precision and depends on. Versatility is a big part of its charm, as it can also function as a carpenter's square, making it an excellent companion for any home improvement task. With the Precision Flex tool in your arsenal, you can bring your handmade projects to life with confidence. Number 5. The portable wood workbench is an excellent addition for any woodworking enthusiast, offering a reliable platform with superior clamping capabilities. Made from high-quality solid beech wood, this workbench is robust, impact-resistant, and wear-resistant, ensuring it can handle the demands of various projects. The clamping system is designed with an exclusive embedded process that guarantees stable clamping and an even distribution of force, preventing any wood from tilting during use. One of the standout features is its large clamping range. With a clip opening of 7.87 inches, simply rotate the handle to accommodate larger pieces of wood, making it ideal for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Weighing in at just 13 pounds and measuring 18.5 by 11 by 2.7 inches, this portable workbench can easily be transported to different job sites or stored away when not in use. Once you've securely fixed your wood using this sturdy workbench, you can tackle various tasks like chiseling, planing, cutting, and engraving, making it multifunctional and suited for nearly all your woodworking needs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY hobbyist, this portable wood workbench enhances your efficiency and precision in any project. Number 6. The 2-in-1 woodworking router table insert plate is a fantastic tool designed to elevate your woodworking experience. Built with enhanced stability, it combines sturdy aluminum alloy and durable engineering plastic, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use while providing a level surface for precise cuts and designs. This insert plate is specifically designed to fit 65mm routers, making installation straightforward and efficient. One of the standout features of this router table insert plate is its versatility. It offers 2 functions in one, allowing you to switch between using it as a traditional router table or as an insert for your router. This adaptability makes it perfect for a variety of woodworking tasks, from edge routing to intricate shaping. The design of the plate promotes excellent stability, minimizing vibration during operation, which leads to cleaner and more accurate results. The precision machining ensures compatibility with various router models, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this 2-in-1 router table insert plate can significantly enhance your projects, giving you the confidence and stability to tackle any job with ease.
Number 7. The hand planer for woodworking is a game changer for anyone looking to refine their woodworking projects. Constructed from compressive strength aluminum alloy and durable ABS plastic, this tool is built to withstand wear, heat, and corrosion. It features high-strength carbon steel blades that offer sharp cutting edges for long-lasting performance. One of the great things about this hand planer is its adjustable depth mechanism. You can easily tailor the cutting depth to meet your specific woodworking needs, making it suitable for all types of trimming and chamfering tasks. Plus, it comes with 6 extra blades, allowing you to create a variety of wood crafts with different finishes and textures. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the planer features a balance handle that helps distribute force evenly, ensuring smooth and flat surfaces as you work. The sharp knife edge and smooth base make it easy to maneuver, maximizing efficiency and enjoyment in your projects. It's portable and straightforward to clean, making maintenance easy. The hand planer is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want to add a personal touch to their woodworking. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, helping improve your woodworking skills while achieving precision in shaping and finishing wood. This tool embodies strength, precision, and a hands-on crafting experience. Number 8. The 6 pieces high-quality wood drill bit set is an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit. ideal for both professional craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts. These drill bits are specifically designed to make clean and precise holes in various types of wood, which is always crucial for achieving high-quality finishes in your projects. Made from durable materials, they promise long-lasting performance even under heavy use. This set covers a range of sizes, ensuring you have the right bit for the job, whether you're working on furniture, cabinetry, or custom woodworking projects. The bits feature a sharp cutting edge that minimizes splintering and ensures smooth entry and exit, which is especially important when you want to maintain the integrity of your woodwork. In addition to their performance, these drill bits are designed for easy use. They fit well into most standard drill chucks, providing a secure hold during operation. Moreover, the compact and lightweight design allows for easy storage and portability. This set is not just about functionality. It's also about making your woodworking tasks easier and more enjoyable. With this drill bit set in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of woodworking projects with confidence and precision. Number 9. The Ruidel 7-inch Japanese handsaw is an exceptional tool for anyone passionate about precision woodworking. Crafted from SK5 steel, this handsaw features a flexible blade that's designed to deliver clean and accurate cuts, making it perfect for both intricate projects and more straightforward tasks. The cut quality is impressive, allowing you to achieve smooth finishes without the need for extensive sanding afterward. One of the standout features of this saw is its comfort grip wood handle. It fits snugly in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use and providing excellent control over your cutting motions. This ergonomic design makes a noticeable difference, especially when you have detailed work to tackle. The saw's compact size is another benefit, as it allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, which is essential when working on finer pieces. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, the Ruidel 7-inch handsaw enhances your toolkit by combining precision, comfort, and durability. It's ideal for various applications, from joinery to crafting decorative pieces. With this hand saw in your arsenal, you'll find your woodworking projects become more enjoyable and rewarding.
Number 10. The 5-piece high-carbon steel wood saw set is a must-have for anyone involved in woodworking or DIY projects. This set includes both coarse and fine-tooth jigsaw blades, giving you the versatility to tackle a wide range of materials, including wood and plastic, with precision and ease. The high-carbon steel construction ensures that these blades remain sharp and durable, providing long-lasting performance through numerous cutting tasks. One of the notable features is the replaceable saw blade design, which not only saves you money in the long run, but also allows you to switch out blades depending on the intricacy of your project. Whether you're making detailed cuts for crafts or handling more robust woodworking tasks, this set has you covered. The comfortable wood handle offers a firm grip, ensuring that you maintain control and accuracy while cutting. This saw set is ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. It simplifies the process of cutting and shaping materials, making your projects more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're crafting furniture, creating decorative items, or completing repairs, the 5-piece high-carbon steel wood saw set is an essential addition to your toolkit. It combines quality, versatility, and user-friendly design to meet all your woodworking needs.